In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a portfolio website using card.co. First, head to card.co, log in, and click New Site. This opens the template library, which is the quickest way to get a clean professional design without starting from scratch. In the Templates menu, look for a portfolio or profile style. These usually feature image grids, project sections, or card layouts that are perfect for showcasing your work. Take a moment to preview a few options so you can pick one that matches your style and the kind of projects you want to highlight. When you find one you like, click Start with this template to jump into the editor. Inside the editor, begin by replacing the placeholder text with your details. Update the main heading with your name or brand and add your role or title, like designer, developer, or photographer. Use the bio area to write a 1 or 2 sentence summary that explains who you are and what you do. Keep it concise and clear so visitors instantly understand your value. Next, swap out the demo images, click on any image or project card, then upload your own screenshots or thumbnails. Aim for consistent image sizes and good lighting so your grid looks neat and professional. If a section includes multiple images, try to keep a cohesive visual style. Similar color grading or framing can help your portfolio look intentional. Now add descriptions for each project. Briefly state what the project is, what tools or technologies you used, and the role you played. Think of it as a mini case study, what problem you solved, how you approached it, and the result. Clear, specific descriptions make your work more credible and easier to understand. Add your social links using the links or buttons element. You can link to platforms like LinkedIn, GitHub, Behance, or Instagram, whatever best represents your work. Choose whether you want icon buttons or text links, and make sure each link opens in a new tab so visitors don't lose your site. Customize the look and feel by adjusting fonts, colors, and layout. Stick to 2 fonts and a simple color palette for a cohesive look. Use spacing and alignment tools to keep the page tidy and readable. As you tweak, glance at the mobile view to ensure everything looks great on smaller screens. When you're happy, click Publish. Choose a free URL, confirm your settings, and your portfolio is live. Share the link with clients, add it to your profiles, and update it as you complete new projects.